Hi, this is Mike from Action Home Services, and today's question is what to expect and what is the timeline when installing a heated driveway. Here is a typical timeline. Day 1, we would prepare the site and demolish the existing old driveway. Day 3 to 4, we would prepare the base and install the installation. On the day 5, we will lay the heating cables and install sensors and do thermostat wiring. On day 6 to 7, we would pour install a driveway surface with concrete, asphalt, or interlock. Day 8 or 9, we would test and make sure that all of the connections are working, as well as the finishing touches. So usually it takes 1 to 2 weeks, depending on weather, complexity, and of course the size of your heated surface. If you searching what is the timeline of a heated driveway installation, how long it takes and what to expect in Toronto and GTA area, call Action Home Services. Our professional estimators will come to your home or can give you a consultation over the phone. They can tell you what to expect, how much things are gonna cost, and when you can get it done.